stuff do you play?
I mean, like more progressive math metal, but I kind of like
Math
more
metal,
just
eh?
like trippy. You know, I kind of like having a little bit of space and then being able to like kind of build it.
So if you
Kind of
tried,
trippy
you
way.
like
Kind of like melty punk.
a pocket fill that's in seven. Is that in
Just I don't know, like something like Pink Floydish meets Tool Rush. I mean that's like.
Let's see what happens. Just start out. Count it out for me, and I'll pop in here somewhere. 3 and. Was I worried about you landing in time? Great, really, really good stuff. Plus you got all the little dentist chambers, all the little stuff going on in the middle. Little extra ghost notes and grace notes that are all in time. Really refreshing to play with.
Did you get that on video too?
Of course, my brother. Put that in there.
Thank you.
Really, just a great a lesson for a lot of drummers. A lot of young drummers, as you see, are doing great, and they got facility, and they're. But you get this concentrated thing down in a time that automatically lends itself to creating a whole mood with the whole band, as opposed to 3 or 4 soloists like this. So it was really wonderful. What's your name?
Dr. Dave, psychologist, drummer, Florida.
Beautiful. Excellent. Great playing, man. Very nice, very nice. Really good.
Thank you, man. This is
Very nice.
well.
Yeah, I know there's a lot of people at the camp, but some people are beginners or non-players, and some guys obviously. Have you played in a bunch of bands? And you had to have some experience on stage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I didn't even let out the the line.
Of course.
Like really.
But you didn't have to, and I always tell a story. I was at the Kathy, there you are. I was at the fantasy camp, rock and roll fantasy camp. We had like about 20 drummers that we had to go through on the same drum kit, and I got stuck playing bass with all of them. And some of them were okay, some were pretty good, but after a while it started to wear me out because nobody really was in time, and it was kind of all over the place. But that's what we're there for, to help them out and to make them take a step above. Vinny Abbasi came and sat down and took one stick, and he's just trying to get settled, and he just went, that changed everything. Just the finesse of his hand coming down for one stroke on the snare drum. The room just calmed right down, and the groove. And it's amazing how you can find out a lot. So when you were setting up already, I already kind of knew you knew how to play. So I'm glad I wasn't wrong.
Jeez, I'm glad you weren't wrong either, man. That's a big part of my life. It would stink if I sucked. Really
great, really great.
Especially since it's a passion too. So
Excellent, excellent.
thank you,
Yeah,
thank you, man.
We're all here to, including myself, Mike, and Richie.